What's going on, doozers, and welcome to the Impossible Redstone Challenge. That's right, Impossible Redstone Challenge. I'm here with Erragar over on a creative testing world, and we've been working with something here. So over on the Facebook Minecraft Redstoners group, there was a message that said, challenge, an impossible door. Create a door that you can open and walk through. That doesn't have a visible entrance, so there's no way to tell where the button was. Obviously, we can walk through it.
Yep.
And we can close it. So I think that fixes that part of the problem. But then they said, here's the impossible part, Erragar. They said that it has to have an explosive reaction if somebody breaks a block.
Well,
so we have
count on Shadowtopians.
They didn't count on the triple D. So
exactly.
We have over here a guinea pig, a guinea cat, a guinea calafi. So let me get her over here, and we're going to show you why you never challenge Redstoners to do the impossible.
Here, kitty.
All right, so we have Calafi the mushroom, which, Erragar, you know how much I love mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. Here. Here's part of your payment.
Have some.
Well, have some more.
So here's what I'm going to do, because I know that mushrooms love hay. So I'm going to put a hay bale on the other side of that door, just like that, kind of entice the mushroom in. Now, Calafi, before you go get that hay bale, all you got to do is break the door down. And again, guys, I want to show you, if we put, see, there's the hay bale. There it is. Now, you can go have it, but we're going to go over here.
We're just gonna watch you from a nice, safe distance.
So we're over here in the blasting, I mean the redstone testing safety spot. Go ahead, Calafi. Go ahead and go right on through there. Bye, Calafi.
There she goes, ladies and gentlemen.
So there you go. That is a redstone door that you can open manually via a button, close via a button. But if any blocks are broken, well, boom. So I know the next question is, how do we build it? Guys, it's dead easy. And I mean, you can see that the damage is devastating. So you definitely are going to want to have this decently far away from your base. So here's what you need to do. You're going to need 4 comparators, 9 repeaters, 9 observers, 19 redstone dust, 4 sticky pistons, 7 leaf blocks, 2 log blocks. They can't be planks or anything else. They have to be logs. A redstone lamp, some blocks of your choice for building, 1 stone button, and the mother of all collections of TNT minecarts. So let's go ahead and start getting this built. Let me get this into my inventory quick, and we will get crafting. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to build this system right here. It doesn't look like much. It just kind of looks like a goalpost. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a repeater set to 4 ticks delay right there with a redstone dot above it. We're going to put another block here and our lamp next to the repeater. And now we're going to do our observer magic. We're going to put an observer facing the lamp, 1 facing the observer, another one, and another one. So what we have, and I have a pack on right now that lets you see the direction. This is going to take the redstone output from here. It's going to push it to here, to here, to here, to here, through this and into this. And we're going to put an observer right like that. Now we're going to come through and we are going to put in 2 sticky pistons there, a sticky piston there. We're going to put in our 2 logs just like that and surround it with leaves like so. And then we are going to hide these leaves with a building block of our choice. You could use really anything that you want. The idea here is just hiding the leaves more than anything else. Now, after we've got that part done, this is the basics of your door finished, done, dusted, and ready to go. It doesn't take too much. You need a block there. You need a block there. And then you go ahead and build in your floor like so. Now, your power button is going to go right here on this block. So just to make this one a little bit easier to see which one we're using, let's go ahead and get some neon green concrete. And we're going to put that right there. Now, the circuitry for the door is a little bit tricky, a little bit complicated, and a little bit ugly, so bear with me. For the first part, which is actually getting our signal down to the TNT minecarts, we're going to put an observer there, one facing up into that. We're going to put a temporary block. And then what we're going to do is we are going to build a staircase down from that. And we are going to cover that staircase in redstone dust. We're going to come over this way. We are going to put a repeater on just a regular repeater, no delay. And we're going to put another one right there on 4 ticks of delay with a redstone dust connecting it all. Then we're going to put in this right here. We're going to put a repeater facing into this one at 4 ticks. 2 redstone dust, and then we are going to make a pulse extender by putting these comparators together like this. We are going to put in another repeater just like that without any delay. Then we're going to come over here, put in a block like that, put in a repeater, and connect this together. Now what we're going to do is we are going to come out right here and we're going to build another staircase. And we are going to connect the redstone all the way up underneath this green block. Now your actual door itself at this point is finished. So if we were to grab a button, not a minecart just yet, we'll be getting those. But if we were to grab... Thank you, sir. Go ahead and do the honors.
Thank you.
So if we hit a button, that's it. That's done and dusted. I mean, that's a simple door to make, and you don't even need any of the extra stuff. But the key thing to see here is this addition right here. Erragar, can you hit that button for me one more time?
Of course.
So when he hits the button, you notice that this repeater locks. So it can't transmit that signal. And it does the same thing when we close the door. It prevents that signal from going through. And that's really important. Because the next step...
Here's the fun step.
...is to extend this out like this. And we're going to get... This is something I forgot to mention when we were saying about what we needed. But we need 2 powered rails like that. And 1 regular rail like that. Now, we aren't going to do anything else with this just yet because the point of a door is that, you know, you can get in and out. But at the same time with this door, we don't want people to know how to get in and out. Because if they want to come in, they're going to have to break a wall. That's the goal. Mm-hmm. So the next part of this is going to be adding in a useless machine. So we're going to do that by taking a redstone signal here. We're going to put 2 repeaters at 4 ticks. Right here, we're going to put in a temporary block. Put a sticky piston right here against this wall. And then we are going to put in 2 pieces of redstone dust with an observer facing down into it. Another repeater on 4 ticks and a piece of redstone dust connecting it all. So what will happen now is, go ahead. When we hit that button, that wall's going to come out. It's going to break the button. and the door will open. And if we replace the button, it'll get broken and the door will close. Again, we're not powering any of this. So now's the fun part, because what we're going to do is we're going to get our TNT minecarts. And on this block right here, the single rail, you want to put 15 to 20, maybe. Depends on, you know, how badly you want to kill everybody. But don't put more than 20 TNT minecarts here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seems like a good number to me. And then one right here.
Overkill.
Right? And then one right here, just for good luck. So that's it. That is your entire door done and dusted and finished. Now, if you're using this for a base, I am going to highly recommend something. You can see just from the devastation here, there is no door left. It is completely gone. And if I come right here, let's see, we are at, I am looking at block 106. Okay, so we are at 245.
230.
And 212. So we did, I'm going to say that's roughly what, about 40 blocks worth of damage?
Oh, yeah.
So if you're using this as an entrance to your actual base, I highly recommend coming back here, where your door actually is, and extend this out a good 40 blocks away from this door, because again, there's really not going to be anything left of anything. This entire machine will be blown up. The person opening the door will be blown up, and if you're too close, you will be blown up. All right, guys. So that's it. I mean, that's the Triple D. It's Doom, Death, and Destruction. Now, we did add in one other feature to this doorway, and I'm going to show it to you real quick. One of our server members had mentioned about not being able to get into it or close the door from the inside. So what I did is I ran a redstone line right down like this. What we can do is we can actually put our button here, and again, it's going to get broken. And then there's a button in here as well that will close the door and reactivate the system. So we're ready to rock and roll again.
We're outie.
Now we're going to get back out here. We're going to close this up before she sees that hay and tries to go for it. All right.
Hey.
So, Erragar, I mean, what can I say? I mean, we have accomplished the impossible.
We're impossible makers.
This is a doorway that can be opened, closed, secured, and will blow up any intruders who ever think of trying to come in.
You said it.
So, that being said, I'm DiamondDoozer.
And I'm Erragar.
And I'm out.
Bye.
Wait a minute. Oh! So there you go. That is the Triple D. It is a very easy kind of very easy door to build. It doesn't take too long. It is resource heavy. But again, for those of you who said it was impossible to build a door that you could open, close, and blow up all at the same time, listen, I mean, I don't know about you, Erragar, but they definitely, they should never discount the Shadowtopians, because
definitely not.
Doozer's gonna bring it to you.
I didn't die.
Oh? Try it again. Go. There you go. Hey, Doozer, I got my diamonds back. Bye.
Woohoo! All right, guys. I'm DiamondDoozer, and I'm out.
Goodbye.